Hello everyone, Krzysztof here again. Just very quick video. As I promised, I'll do step-by-step videos how I'm doing with my 21-day challenge. So let me first start from my Clickbank account. You won't see any difference because, as I said, I'm starting my 21-day challenge, so probably there will be no earnings, but I promise I'll show you step-by-step everything. And here we go. So let me log into my Clickbank account. I won't be surprised if there will be zeros here. As you can see, there's still zeros, no earnings whatsoever, because I'm not promoting the other offers. I started my brand new 21-day challenge, and that's what I'm focusing about now. So I promised you to show you that I will create. I promise you to create brand to new Instagram accounts, brand to new YouTube channels, and promote just 2 offers from Clickbank. As for now, I managed just to do 1 Instagram account and 1 YouTube account, and I'm promoting just only 1 Clickbank offer, because the thing is that to do it today took me quite a long time to prepare everything just for this 1 offer, and you know that would be too much for me to start another account on Instagram and another account on YouTube regards the other offer. So let's start from Instagram, and let me open a new browser. I can show you my brand new YouTube account in here. That's my account. That's my brand new YouTube channel. You can see how to get baby to sleep. That's my brand new YouTube channel. It's got just only 2 videos for now, because I just managed to do 2 videos, because that takes time as well. So let's log into Instagram. I show you my brand new Instagram account as well for that purposes. And that's my new Instagram account. As you can see, I've got my bio in here. I've got my username, my title, and just only 2 posts for now, because that's how much I managed to do today. As I mentioned before, that took me quite a long time to create this account and to create this YouTube channel, make some videos, make some find the offer, and that's why just only 1. But tomorrow I'll create another one. But let me quickly show you my landing page for my offer. I've created that one as well, so that took a time again, and I just simply ran out of time. I spent hours and hours today to create everything, so I couldn't just do more than 1. But tomorrow is another day, so tomorrow I'll be focusing to create another YouTube account, another Instagram account for my another offer. So we'll see how it goes. It's just only first day on my challenge, so that's how looks my opt-in page for my offer. So as you can see, that's my simple opt-in page. When you press this button, pop-up window will come up, and you ask to put your email in here. Let's do test. So I show you how that works, where that goes. I didn't test it even yet, so we'll see. Okay, please use real email. Okay, let's do that. That should take me to the offer if it's everything done correctly. Yeah, here we go. That takes us straight away to the offer. So that's my offer. That's the selling video. We can read sales letter if you want in here, but I won't be checking that now. So this is the main offer. As you can see, everything works fine. So now we'll see. Now we need to do some tips and tricks. So one tip for that is, as you can see, I'm on Quora.com. This is I would call magic website. Why magic? Because this is the best website for free traffic. Why is the best? The thing is that Quora is the website where people asking the questions, and you can be master in any niche you want and answer them questions. And when you answer them questions, you put in your links inside. But you're not spamming, you're giving them value, not spamming. I try to show you one of my questions I answered. I don't know if I can find it. Let me quickly find one of my questions. Maybe that one. See, that was the question. What do you do when you're tired and your baby will not fall asleep? And this was my answer. I gave some tips in here, and then I put a video to my YouTube channel, and I'm asking them as well to join my Facebook group, what I call it, Facebook support group, which the group is in that. That was my another secret I told you I won't say for now, but this is my group. I created this group just a few minutes ago, just actually a few hours ago. You can see a few posts in here, another video, so that looks fine. Few posts, few photos. So if someone is interesting, can join this group, and I'm sharing all different informations about children, about little toddlers, how to make them get to sleep, and all stuff like that. Like this one, you can see one tip. And when they click this link, they'll be taken to my offer as well. So you see, that's the offer, and that's the one part of my 21-day challenge. Second part is to do the same, exactly the same, creating Facebook group, creating YouTube account, and creating Instagram account regards my other offer. And that's what I was trying to keep in secret, but because I promise I'll tell you the secret, and this is the secret. When you're going to promote your own offer from Clickbank, that's the best way to do it if you wanna get people sign up from free traffic. So what do you wanna do? You go into Facebook, creating your very own group. You are admin of this group. You inviting people or let people come in to you through Quora, through here. You see, when you see my all answers, I had 181 views of all of my answers. Everything was 29. Look, 75 views in here, 49 views, 17, 34 views, and 6 views. I had one upvote of my answer, and I had 3 shares of my answer. I don't know who shared that, if I was the one or not. I just random questions. Most questions I had like about affiliate marketing. So that one has got 35 views. That one has got 24 views and 1 share, so I didn't share that. And another one has got 16 views, and that was just random question about Polish language. So that's nothing common in this what I'm doing. And this is how do I get money fast. That was another my answer to my that was just to my blog. So when you click that will take you to my blog straight away. This is my blog. You can see that's what I all have done. this is the offers from ClickFunnels. If they click it, I can get commissions if they sign up. But I'm not. I don't care about this if someone clicks or not. This is just, that was a pleasure for me to do it. This is one of my tutorial videos on Facebook and related posts. All just, that was briefly. They can leave a comments, so that's one idea. So, and this link actually is to my YouTube video on my main channel, so that will be taken to my YouTube tutorial on Clickbank. So that's how it works. And I just heard that this is the best idea to do it. You can see, go to Quora, find the questions to your niche, answer them, but answer them with where you use a little bit of brain. Don't just spam your links, because no one will click on it and you will get banned from Quora and blocked. So you can choose your spaces where you want to answer the questions. Read the questions. If you know the answers, click question, answer them honestly, give some examples, and then put your links inside. And this is the best way to get free traffic, because people, they're looking for answers everywhere. So they go to Quora, they find your answer, they might click your links, they might be taken to your, I don't know, affiliate link, or to your offer, or even to your YouTube channel, or maybe a Facebook group as this one. We don't know. So that's what the challenge is about. You have to prepare yourself for those next 21 days or 30 days or 2 months, depends on how big challenge you're doing for yourself. You have to prepare everything before you start acting. I could manage to prepare this for me, my new group, my Instagram account, which I showed you. So now, tomorrow, I'll spend most of the time creating second offer, and I might use even my other YouTube channel, because the offer is actually connected to losing fat. It's a weight loss niche, so I might even use my YouTube channel to shoot the videos regards to the other offer. But I will create new Instagram account for that purpose, and we'll see. I'll keep posting, and same with a Facebook group. I will create brand new Facebook group for my other offer, because I've seen many groups regards getting rid of belly, and I've got even my private fan page regards that. So I might even connect that one to my fan page, which is that. I've been prepared before, because as I mentioned before, I did it before. So this is my fan page. So I can even I'm even connecting this fan page to my YouTube channel. So it's valuable source of traffic. You just need to know how to use it, and I have gave you examples on how you can use it. See, this is my pin post. I should take different pin posts, so I can change that later on, but this is how it looks. Look, my video reached 30,000 people, but no one unfortunately clicked the link to buy the product. But that wasn't the purpose. Purpose was to show people how they can lose weight, and I hoped they will click the link. They didn't, but nothing has happened. This fan page, it's quite old. I don't know if I can show you how old it is, but I opened this fan page years ago when I first started, and I'm still using this. I'm still posting. I'm still creating posts on them. Some posts, they've been related to my website, but website has been taken down. I didn't refresh my website. I focus mainly on YouTube traffic in here. So that's the recent post. You can see that's the recent posts. And there is a few old posts on them, on this fan page, like years old. But this is my free ebook for them to download it, but for some reasons they didn't want it. I just gave them something for free. You see, that's about my another fun page. This is the offer I showed you on different Clickbank account. This is my another WordPress. This is my another blog regarding this red tea detox. That was the only offer I promoted, apart of those two I showed you before. So yeah, that would be everything for this video. So remember to track it down if you want. If not, start your own challenge. So for this challenge, you can promote even one offer if you don't want to promote two offers. It's totally up to you. My target is to promote two offers, and that's what I'm doing. Tomorrow I'll create another account, another offer, create a few more posts to this account, and we'll see. We've got 21 days to make any sales, if we make any sales, and I'll be shooting videos like that every single day to show you how far I've gone, what have I done, what is ready, what is not. So I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, subscribe to my channel and give it a like, and share it between your friends. Let them see my challenge, and maybe they will decide to create their own challenge. So that's it for today, guys, and see you in my next video. Take care. Bye bye.